Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to manage events section on your account on Telegram on the notifications settings easy and quickly. So first of all, enter Telegram and then go to the three lines, go to the settings and then go straight to the notifications and sounds section. So as you see here, scroll down and you will find this events section. So here we have contact, join Telegram. So if you want to turn this on or off, the pinned messages. So that's it. That's how to manage the events section easy and quickly. And that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.